Hello, good morning, friends. Today we are back, for our Sunday talk. Although today is Monday, but the market is closed. So tomorrow on 1st of December, the market will open. So let us check, the clues what we have for Tuesday market opening in India. Friends, this is actually, the Dow Jones future. So Dow Jones futures, you can see Dow Jones future has given say almost about from here to here almost about 100 fall off about say 150 points. So the candle actually is red, although the uptrend actually is quite intact, there is no doubt about it. So as far as the Dow Jones is concerned, tomorrow we will not have support of Dow Jones, it appears, as of now. Then friends, we see actually what has happened to HDFC Bank. I have marked certain points already to shorten the video. So you can see the long term uptrend still continues till say about 1300 it falls down to. So as far as the Tuesday clues are concerned, friends, it is definitely this HDFC Bank is going to support Nifty. There is no doubt about it. However, friend, my understanding is that whenever you buy, you should buy, with a 70% immediately, or 70%, say after the market has little cooled down, and 30%, after seeing the reaction of about 2 o'clock. Then, friends, so HDFC Bank is positive. Reliance actually is somehow not supporting. Here also it is a winning, spinning top. And if you really see, it is in the downtrend. So friends, till it crosses 2020, Reliance actually will not be lending any support. And further, if we check there, see here also, it is in a little declining here, and this is also mildly positive. So let us believe that Reliance is just neutral, neither it is supporting nor it is bringing the Nifty down. So in such a situation, friends, the traders should be, very, very stock specific. You see, when Reliance is not supporting, then let us see, what Bank Nifty says. Bank Nifty is here. It has said, that it's a doji. Here it was a hammer. So the sum total of this is that it is likely to support, and it is in the uptrend also. And you see the lower moving average of 15, the direction is actually up, although it is direction is showing it is the wrist arm is at 10 minutes. Okay, so this is supportive. Then let us say, Nifty, what will happen, friends? Now it is very clear, that in absence of Reliance, the Nifty actually also, other days did not support us. So we can just understand, that we should be very, very stock specific, and we should be, and even if you see the averages here, 15 moving average, and these averages, the inclination is not very good on the up direction. And further, this is also, in the what I say overbought zone. This also is likely to be a cross. So let us see. You see, the Nifty movement is not showing a very promising trend. But yes, when it comes to trading it affords. Why trading? Trading in the specific stocks. So let us see some specific stocks. Friends, yesterday what has happened is, or last Thursday what has happened is, government has declared a policy measure, and this policy measure, government has given a unified tariff proposal. So when this was declared, there was a sharp increase in all gas stocks, and you see here Adani Gas had given a buy somewhere around 190-200, and from there it has already in 3 months gone and registered almost about say 60% increase. And such a big candle here, the volume actually is very big, and at the same time, this also is showing up direction. So I think the nutshell is that it will still go, and it say in couple of days it can pass 360. Friends, I am just planning to show, because looking at now this Adani Gas and gas sector, couple of my friends also have asked me to talk about gas sector. So I will upload a video very shortly on gas sector. So we will have a conclusive report on this. Number one. Second thing is, my own observation is that Adani Gas one should really buy on Tuesday. Even I will buy on Tuesday. And this stock can be kept for a long time. There is no two opinion about it. You can buy always in 30 and 70%. First buy 70% at about say 10, 30, 11, and then 30% you can buy towards the end of the day. Another is the Laurus Lab. Friends, these actually, the chemical sector and gas sector actually is firing. Now it has already given a cross here. It is a wonderful chance for you to acquire the share at this price, or 70-30% as we have said so. You see, earlier, the cross was here somewhere around 110. From 110, you see, this went. It did not cross. And the first cross after 110 in 6 months' time came to 300, and so in about 6-7 months' time, 319. That means it has given almost 300%. So under the circumstances, when we are saying that Reliance is not supporting us, gas sector is supporting us, and would you not like to have such stocks in your portfolio? Nevertheless, in next week I will post one this updates on chemical sector also. But all said and done, this chemical sector and gas sectors at present looks to be very attractive for a short term. After seeing their fundamentals, friends, we will talk of these stocks on the long term also. Friends, technical analysis and fundamental analysis in Hindi and English is available on my playlist, sharemarket.com. Those of you who are really interested in staying in the share market or stock market and want to earn, you can always go and check with my playlist on fundamental technical analysis. Mind you, I am not giving only theory part of it, I am giving practical along with it. It is going to be highly beneficial for you. So friends, I wish you all the good luck on the Tuesday when we open up, and please remain with me. Let me know your opinion, because see, two sectors I am giving in any case. Next week you will have two sector, gas sector and chemical sector. If you have any other preference what I should give, please send me your opinion. At the same time, friends, please subscribe to my channel, and let me have your views also on this. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.